Tired of the daily grind and messy shaving? Introducing the GL Lava Head Shaver. Shave your entire head in just 90 seconds. With a powerful 10 Nolas RPM motor and 60 floating blades for a perfect shave. IPX8 waterproof. Wet or dry. Up to 3 hours cordless power. Plus, travel lock and included case. Get the Gulava Head Shaver today. Flash deal. Get it now at 88% off. Introducing the Gulava Head Shaver. Smooth skin. Instantly. Dan. Volvo RPM motor for a quick close shave. 60 floating blades adapt to every contour. IPX8 waterproof design. Perfect for wet or dry. Get yours for a limited time launch price. Click now to experience the Gulava difference. Visit our website today. Introducing Spaver, the ultimate grooming game changer. Get a super smooth shave in seconds with 7D blades. This 5-in-1 kit includes a trimmer and nose hair trimmer. IPX7 waterproof design, shave in the shower. Flash deal. Get Spaver for just $39, 98, 80% off. Yes, upgrade your routine. Get Spaver today? Tired of shaving? Meet the Spaver Head Shaver. It's 5-in-1, close shave, trimmers, and more. Wet dry, shower ready, and 90 minutes use. Flash deal, $39, 80% off. Limited time only. Don't miss out. Click now to upgrade your grooming. Tired of a rough, uneven shave? Introducing the NeoWave electric bald razor. Experience the future of grooming. 7 floating heads adapt to every contour, guaranteeing closeness, wet or dry use, plus IPX7 waterproof. Perfect for the shower. Ergonomic design for ultimate control and long-lasting power. Upgrade your shave with a 76% off flash deal. Get the NeoWave electric bald razor now. Tired of a rough shave? Meet the NeoWave Head Shaver. Its 7D floating heads adapt to every curve effortlessly. IPX7 waterproof design allows wet or dry use. Enjoy 120 minutes of use after just 2 hours charge. Get the NeoWave Head Shaver for only $39. That's 76% off. Don't miss this limited time offer. Click now to experience ultimate shaving comfort. Tired of the daily grind of grooming? Introducing the Wyclaus 5-in-1 Head Shaver. Get a close, comfortable shave in minutes with the 7D floating heads. Wet or dry, the choice is yours for ultimate flexibility. This all-in-one grooming kit includes everything you need. The LED display tells you how much power is left. Travel lock prevents accidental activation. For a limited time, get 75% off. Get your Wyclaus today and groom smarter. Introducing the Wyclaus 5-in-1 electric head shaver, the ultimate grooming solution. Get a close shave, hair trim, nose trim, cleansing brush, and sideburn trim. It's wet dry, has a long-lasting battery, LED display, and a travel lock. For a limited time, get it for $49, 75% off. Yes, this flash deal ends soon. Don't miss out on this amazing price. Click the link now and upgrade your grooming routine today. Get your Wyclaus 5-in-1 electric head shaver now. Tired of a rough shave? Introducing the Colforge 7D Head Shaver. 7D floating heads capture every hair for an unbelievably smooth finish. Shave wet or dry in the shower with a 1-second detached blade system. Get 120 minutes of power with an ergonomic design for ultimate comfort. Upgrade your shave today with the Coolforge 7D Head Shaver. Introducing the Sealforge 7D Head Shaver. Get the perfect shave. Fast, 7D floating heads deliver an incredibly close shave, wet or dry. Enjoy effortless cleaning with a 1-second detach feature. Get 120 minutes of use on a single charge. Ultimate comfort. Launch deal. Get yours for only $49. That's 70% off. This offer won't last. Upgrade your shave now. Click the link and grab your Colforge 7D today. Tired of the daily shaving struggle? Introducing the Ceruzzi Head Shaver, the future of grooming. Its 7D floating head glides effortlessly over every curve. Magnetic head detaches for instant, easy cleanup. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of runtime with Type-C charging. Shave wet or dry, with maximum comfort and control. Upgrade your shave. Get the Ceruzzi Head Shaver today. Flash deal, get 70% off while supplies last. Introducing the Ceruzzi Head Shaver, smooth skin, effortlessly. Magnetic head, easy clean design for simple maintenance. Adapts to every curve for a flawless shave. Every time, wet or dry use, long battery, ergonomic grip, perfection. Launch special, get the Cerusi head shaver for 70% off. That's right, down to $49.99. Limited time only. Click now to claim your Cerusi head shaver.